Let's talk about some of the problems on the first practice sheet. We'll start with problem 3, which asks you to compute some sums in base 7. So the first one is 1, 6 plus 2, 5. So by definition of addition, we start at 1, 6. And I'm going to go forward 2, 5 steps in the grid. I want to use the fact that 2, 5 is 2, 0 plus 5, because adding 2, 0 always means simply skipping down 2 rows to get to 3, 6. And then I count forward 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To get 4, 4. Okay, let's also talk about 4b. 4b asks you to find base 12. What is 1 heart times 5? Well, by definition, this is 5 plus 5 plus a bunch of 5s, where there are 1 heart 5s. Now, if you did question 1, you should have already marked off the multiples of 5 in the base 12 grid. Here I have the multiples of 5 marked off in orange, just ignore everything else. So I'm going to count forward 1 heart 5s. I'm going to skip count by 5s, 1 heart times. So I'm going to count up to 1 heart. Okay, so we start here at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, heart, diamond, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 1 heart. So I get 9, 2. Now, if that freaks you out too much to count, to actually do your counting in base 12, then, well, you should practice base 12 some more. But failing that, you could convert this to a regular base 10 number, right? 1 heart is in base 10 1 times 12 plus 10, which is 22. So you're counting, skip counting by 5s 22 times. And if you do that, you end up at the same place where I did. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about 5b. which asks you to convert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is written in base 6, convert that to base 10. Well, since this is a larger number, it is much easier to do this by rewriting in base 10 expanded form. So we know that the 5 means 5 times 6 to the 0. The 4 means 4 times 6 to the 1. The 3 means 3 times 6 to the 2. I didn't leave myself enough room. 2 times 6 cubed. 1 times 6 to the 4th. Okay? And if you really want to know what number that is, it's 1865. But the important thing is to be able to write it like this. I believe that you can punch that into a calculator and determine that it's 1865. Okay, well, please send me an email if you have more questions on this homework set.